Welcome to Rust strings. Today we'll explore the two main string types in Rust. String is an owned, growable type stored on the heap. And string slice, written as &str, is a Let's learn about Rust string types. String is owned and growable. Str slice is borrowed. String is stored on the heap. Str slice views existing data. Opening nvim to write code. String from creates from a literal. This allocates on the heap. Creating a string slice with and str. Slices are for read-only access. String new creates an empty string. Mut allows modification. _str appends text. Reviewing the code. Compiling with Rusty. Running the program. Now let's explore useful string methods. Opening nvim to write code. First, we create a string. Len returns the string length. Is underscore empty checks for empty strings. Contains, finds substrings. Replace creates a new string. The original stays unchanged. To underscore uppercase converts case. To underscore lowercase does the opposite. trim removes white space. Reviewing our code now. Compiling and running. Methods work as expected. Finally, let's learn how to combine strings. Opening nvim to explore concatenation. The format macro is the most flexible. It returns a string instead of printing. Format doesn't take ownership. Push_str works with mutable strings. It appends a string slice. The plus operator concatenates too. Plus takes ownership of the first string. Push adds a single character. Use single quotes for characters. Reviewing our concatenation code. Compiling and running the program. All methods combine strings successfully. Format macro is recommended. Excellent work! You've mastered Rust strings. You learned the difference between owned strings and borrowed string slices. You explored useful methods like len, contains, and replace. And you discovered multiple ways to concatenate strings. These skills